Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat's Kitchen. Today we are making authentic Jamaican oxtails. For our ingredients, we have fresh oxtails, we have browning sauce, brown sugar, curry powder, allspice, smoked paprika, black pepper. We have an onion, garlic, ginger, scallions, vegetable oil, tomato paste, carrots, tomato sauce, bay leaves, bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, beef broth, green onions, ketchup, and a can of buttered beans. For your oxtails, you want to prep and marinate for about an hour or overnight. You want to add your browning sauce, your brown sugar, your curry powder, your allspice, your paprika, your salt, your pepper, your onion, your garlic, your ginger, and your scallions. You want to massage all the spices into your oxtails very well, making sure that each piece is coated. Then you want to add it to a Ziploc bag or a bowl, and you want to cover and refrigerate. Once your oxtails are finished marinating, you want to take them out the refrigerator, and you want to remove the oxtail pieces from the marinade mixture. You want to shake off excess onions and scallion bits, but do not discard your marinara. You want to set it aside. Then you want to preheat your Dutch oven or a heavy bottom pot. You want to add your oil. Then you want to start adding your oxtail pieces into a pot. You want to work in batches, carefully not to overcrowd. You want to stir your oxtail all sides until a deep brown crust appears, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once you are done browning your oxtails, you want to add your reserved marinara into the same pot along with the tomato paste. Saute until lightly tender. Scrape up any bits on the bottom of the pot and stir the paste to coat the marinara. About 4 to 5 minutes. Then add all brown oxtail pieces back into the pot. You want to add your carrots, your tomato paste, your bay leaf, your Scotch bonnet pepper, your fresh thyme, your beef broth. The oxtail should be submerged completely under the liquid. You want to gently stir everything together. You want to reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the pot with a lid. Allow your oxtails to cook for about 2.5 hours until your oxtail pieces are falling apart. You want to add your butter beans and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Discard the herb stems, bay leaves, and Scotch bonnet pepper from the pot. We have made Jamaican oxtails. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.